we will talk about the projection. This is a vector OB, O to B. This is the B vector. Now this is A vector. So if we take the magnitude of B is B here, and this should be the B cos theta, okay, in magnitude, okay. A vector, this direction is the A vector. Now what we want the projection of B on A. We want projection of B on A. That is nothing but B cos theta. How we will get? Now A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So A into B cos theta. So B cos theta will be equal to this by this. So A times the projection of B on A. So what will be the projection of B on A vector, B vector, and A vector. This is this one. This is the this magnitude is nothing but single A, means this one. So this is the, now this by this is equal to unit vector of A dot B. So this is nothing but this, okay. So this is unit vector of A dot B. So what is the projection of B on A? On A means this is the unit vector of A dot B. You understand? Unit vector of A dot B. Okay. Now I will give you 1 minute. I will give you some practical example of this. 1 minute. I will give you the practical example of this. Now A vector is given this one, and B vector is given B vector. B vector is given this one, okay. Now what is A dot B? What is the cos angle AB, A comma B, angle between A and B? What is the projection of A vector along B, on B? So you can directly find out what is A dot B, okay. That means what is AX? This is AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ. BX is 0. So A dot B will be equal to, easily, it is the scalar product. This is a scalar quantity. So this we have got minus 160. Okay. Okay. Now angle between AB will be equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. Okay. So this is done. Okay. Now this is cos of this. So this is the answer for this one. Now this is the projection of A on along B, on BA means. So it will be the unit vector of B dot A. So or in this formula, A dot B, this one, by B vector B. B is this one. So this is the answer. Okay. Another thing So you can 1 minute, please wait. I will give you this problem, very good problem. Now you see, this is a rectangular pipe. This height is given, this height is given, and this is given, this is given, this is given, this is given. So this is 5, okay. This is 10, 5, and this is 8. Okay, we have to, this is the 500 Newton force. Okay. What is the rectangular component of the 500 Newton? 500 Newton is there. 500 Newton force along the diagonal B to A. Okay. Now it is, you see, BA is equal to this one. BA is equal to 5y minus 10j plus 8k. How? BA. B to A. How to get it? First of all, this, and you can get it like this, this plus this plus this, okay, B to A. So this is actually 5y, this one is 5y, this because it is along x, so 5y, this is negative of y, so minus 10j, and this is positive of z, so 8k. Okay, so BA is equal to 5y minus 10j plus 8k. Okay, so 500 Newton force in terms of IJK will be equal to, this is the force divided by unit, this is the root over of this square plus this square plus this square. So this total is the unit vector, okay, of the that direction B to A into 500. This is the Newton. Okay, so this will be the force in that direction is this. Okay, now projection of 500 Newton along BA is this is the F dot BA by BA on BA, na, along BA. So this is this. Okay.